The stories behind traditional food, nourishing cultural identity. Title: The stories behind traditional food, nourishing cultural identity. Introduction. Traditional food is often regarded as the heart and soul of any culture. It is through these cherished recipes that one can truly dive into the rich history, values, and traditions of a particular society. The stories behind traditional food not only nourish our bodies but also serve as a powerful vessel for preserving cultural identity and passing it down from one generation to another. In this article, we will explore the significance of traditional food as a means of connecting with our heritage, understanding our roots, and fostering a sense of belonging. 1. Cultural significance of traditional food. Traditional food embodies the essence of a culture. It is a reflection of the natural resources, geographical location, climate, and historical events that have molded a community over time. The ingredients, cooking methods, and techniques passed down from ancestors carry within them a wealth of cultural wisdom and tradition. Each dish tells a story, representing the struggles, triumphs, and values of a particular group of people. 2. Evolution of traditional food. Traditional food is not static, it evolves with the passage of time. It adapts to new ingredients and cooking techniques, while still holding on to its authentic essence. Some traditional recipes have remained unchanged for centuries, while others have been influenced by colonialism, migration, and globalization. The evolution of traditional food shows the resilience and adaptability of a culture, as well as its ability to embrace new influences without compromising its core identity. 3. The role of traditional food in celebrations and rituals. Traditional food plays a vital role in celebrations and rituals. Whether it's a wedding, religious festival, or a family gathering, traditional dishes often take center stage. These occasions provide an opportunity to showcase the unique flavors and culinary heritage of a community. The act of preparing and sharing traditional food fosters a sense of togetherness, allowing family and friends to connect with their cultural roots and strengthen their bonds. 4. Preserving traditional food for future generations. In an increasingly globalized world, traditional food is at risk of being lost or forgotten. As younger generations become more disconnected from their cultural heritage, there is a pressing need to preserve traditional recipes and culinary practices. Initiatives like community cookbooks, culinary workshops, and cultural festivals serve as important platforms for passing down the knowledge and techniques of traditional cuisines. By engaging younger individuals, these efforts ensure the continued vibrancy and sustainability of our culinary traditions. 5. Traditional food is a window to history. The historical context of traditional food offers fascinating insights into a culture's past. 6. Traditional food and health. Beyond its cultural significance, traditional food often possesses unique nutritional benefits. Traditional diets are often based on locally sourced, seasonal ingredients that are well suited to the climate and environment. These foods are often prepared using simple cooking techniques that retain the natural flavors and nutrients. Studies have shown that traditional diets, such as the Mediterranean diet, are associated with numerous health benefits and a decreased risk of chronic diseases. Embracing traditional food can thus promote not only cultural heritage but also healthier eating habits. 7. Traditional food is a source of identity. Traditional food forms an integral part of a community's identity. It distinguishes one culture from another and serves as a source of pride and belonging. People often associate certain dishes or flavors with their cultural heritage, and sharing these foods with others fosters a sense of unity and connection. Whether it's a grandmother's secret recipe or a dish that has been passed down for generations, traditional food reminds us of our roots and helps us maintain a strong cultural identity. 8. Traditional food is an artistic expression. Traditional food is not just about nourishment, it is also a form of artistic expression. From the vibrant colors and intricate plating to the careful selection of ingredients and the fusion of flavors, traditional cuisines showcase the creativity and craftsmanship of a culture. Each dish tells a story and reflects the values, aesthetics, and artistic sensibilities of a community. By appreciating traditional food as an art form, we can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the cultural significance it holds. 9. Traditional food and sustainability. In addition to its cultural and artistic value, traditional food often aligns with sustainable practices. Many traditional cuisines prioritize the use of local, seasonal ingredients, reducing the carbon footprint associated with long-distance transportation. Traditional cooking methods, such as fermentation and preservation techniques, help reduce food waste and extend the shelf life of ingredients. By embracing traditional food, we can promote sustainability and contribute to a more environmentally conscious way of eating. 10. Traditional food is a tourist attraction. Traditional food has the power to attract tourists and foster cultural exchange. Travelers often seek out authentic culinary experiences as a way to immerse themselves in a new culture. Traditional food festivals, markets, and cooking classes provide a window into local traditions and offer opportunities for cross-cultural connections. By showcasing their traditional cuisine, communities can not only preserve their culinary heritage but also generate economic opportunities through tourism. 11. Traditional food and intergenerational bonds. Preparing and sharing traditional food is often a communal activity that brings generations together. Elderly family members pass down their knowledge and techniques to younger ones, creating a sense of continuity and intergenerational bonds. The act of cooking and eating together becomes a way to pass on cultural traditions, stories, and values. By involving younger generations in the preparation and enjoyment of traditional food, we ensure that these practices continue to thrive in the future.